Good morning, everyone. This is Nilofar, ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your studies are going well. So, as you all know that we are doing the syllabus of internal assignment A1. Our subject is English grammar, and in today's video, I will explain you worksheet 14. So, as you all know that we are doing lesson 10 in English grammar. Our topic of the lesson is the present tense. So, in the previous worksheets of lesson 10, we have done definitions and some exercises related to the present tense. And in today's video, I will explain you translations that will be related to present tense only. So, like always, before starting the work, you all have to mention today's date in your copies, that is 24 April 2021. With this, you have to mention online classwork in your copies, and with this, you have to mention lesson 10 in your copies. Now, let's see the translations related to present tense. So, as I have already explained you that present tense is divided into four types of tense, that is indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. In today's video, I will explain you the translations related to present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect. We will not do the translations related to perfect continuous tense. So, now let's see. The first topic is present indefinite tense. So, how can we recognize present indefinite tense? So, in the last of the words of present indefinite tense, if we will read in Hindi, so there will be ta hai, ti hai, te hai आदि शब्द. अगर हम प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस को हिंदी में पढ़ेंगे तो उसके अंत में जो शब्द होते हैं वहाँ पर ता है, ती है, ते है आदि शब्द आते हैं. So formulas you can see. If we have to form an affirmative sentence of indefinite tense, so there will be subject, then verb first form plus s and es according to the subject, and then object, and then full stop. In negative sentences, there will be subject, do and does according to the subject, then not will come, then first form of verb will be there, then object, and then full stop. Now next is interrogative. If we have to form an interrogative sentence of present indefinite tense, then do and does, first of all it will be according to the subject, then हमारा subject होगा, then first form of verb, then object, and then question mark. Last type of sentence is interrogative plus negative. So, if there is a question word in interrogative sentence, so we will start with the question word. Question word लगाएंगे, then do and does according to the subject, then not, verb first form plus object plus question mark. So, if we have to use do and does in the starting of the sentence, so you have to select your subject accordingly first of all, because according to the subject only you will use do and does. Now let's see the examples to understand it better. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज अप्रैल के महीने में तेज बारिश नहीं होती है. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट वेदर, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट टाइम, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट टेम्परेचर, सो वी स्टार्ट विद इट. सो दैट्स वाई हमने इट लगाया है, एंड इट इज कंसीडर्ड एज सिंगुलर, सो वी हैव यूज्ड डज. इट डज नॉट रेन हैविली इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल. अप्रैल के महीने में तेज बारिश नहीं होती है. सब्जेक्ट डज, नॉट, देन वर्ब एंड देन ऑब्जेक्ट. सेकेंड सेंटेंस इज क्या तुम्हारा तोता पूरा दिन बोलता रहता है. इट इज एन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस एंड वी विल स्टार्ट विद द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. सो टू यूज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब वी हैव टू सी द सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट इज तुम्हारा तोता, योर पैरट. सो that is a singular subject, we will use does. Does your parrot speak all day long? Third sentence is जुलाहे कपड़ा बुनते हैं. So it is an affirmative sentence. Weavers weave clothes. So weavers is plural, that's why हमने यहाँ wave के साथ s and es नहीं लगाया है. Fourth sentence is तुम ज़रूरतमंदों की मदद क्यों नहीं करते हो. It is an interrogative plus negative and question word is also given. क्यों is given in the middle of the sentence. So सबसे पहले we have used the English of क्यों, that is why. According to you we have used the helping verb, that is do. Why do you not help the needy? तुम ज़रूरतमंदों की मदद क्यों नहीं करते हो. These were the examples related to present indefinite tense. Now the second topic is present continuous tense. By the name only you can understand continue means जारी रहना. So if our actions are continue, जारी है, they will come under present continuous tense. How can we recognize that it is present continuous tense? वाक्य के अंत में रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं आदि शब्द आते हैं. So if we will read present continuous tense in Hindi, so there will be raha hai, rahi hai, rahe hai in the end of the sentence. Now let's see the formulas. If we have to form an affirmative sentence of continuous tense, present continuous tense, there will be subject is am are according to the subject, verb first form plus ing, object and then full stop. Second, if we have to form negative sentence of present continuous tense, then subject is am are according to the subject, then we will use not, then verb first form plus ing, then object and then full stop. Next type of sentence is interrogative. So when we have to form interrogative sentence, we will start with the helping verb. Okay, is am are we have to use according to the subject. Subject हमको पहले ही choose कर लेना होता है. Then subject will be there, verb first form plus ing, then object and then question mark. Last type of sentence is interrogative plus negative. So as I have already told you, if question word is given in the sentence, क्या, क्यों, कहाँ, कैसे is given in the middle of the sentence, so we will use the English of those question words. So first of all, question word will be there according to the subject is am are, then subject, not, verb first form plus ing, object and question marks. Now let's see some examples of present continuous tense to understand it better. First sentence is तुम एक राजा के जैसे व्यवहार कर रहे हो. So here you is the subject and you के साथ we use are. You are behaving like a king. Behave plus ing. सेकेंड सेंटेंस इज वह अपने नए सहपाठियों से घुलने मिलने की कोशिश क्यों नहीं कर रहा है. सो इट इज इंट्रोगेटिव प्लस नेगेटिव एंड क्यों इज गिवन इन द मिडल ऑफ द सेंटेंस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल यूज द इंग्लिश ऑफ क्यों, दैट इज वाई, एंड हु इज द सब्जेक्ट, वह. सो ही के साथ हम इज लगाते हैं. वाई इज ही नॉट ट्राइंग टू मिंगल विद हिज न्यू क्लासमेट्स. मिंगल मीन्स घुलना मिलना. थर्ड सेंटेंस इज आकाश में बिजली नहीं चमक रही है. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट वेन एवर वी हैव टू मेक सेंटेंसेज दैट इज रिलेटेड टू वेदर, वी स्टार्ट विद इट. इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज सिंगुलर, सो वी यूज इज विद इट. इट इज नॉट लाइटनिंग इन द स्काई. आकाश में बिजली नहीं चमक रही है. फोर्थ सेंटेंस इज वे तुम्हारे कान में क्यों फुसफुसा रहे हैं. सो दैट इज इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. सब्जेक्ट इज way, that means they, and क्यों is given in the middle of the sentence. So first of all we will use the English of क्यों, that is why, and according to they we will use are. Why are they whispering in your ear? So these were the examples related to present continuous tense. Now next type of tense is present perfect tense. How can we recognize a present perfect tense? So if we will read present perfect tense in Hindi, so in the sentences of present perfect tense there will be चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, लिया है, दिया है, गया है in the end. वाक्य के अंत में चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, लिया है, दिया है, गया है आदि शब्द आते हैं. Now let's see the formulas to form the sentences of present perfect tense. First formula is given of affirmative sentences. So if we have to form affirmative sentence of present perfect tense, we will use subject, then has and have according to the subject, then third form of verb which is also called past participle, then object and then full stop. Now the next formula is of negative sentence. So if we have to form negative sentences of present perfect tense, we will use this formula. Subject, then has and have according to the subject, then not, then third form of verb, object and full stop. Next formula is of interrogative sentence. So when we have to form interrogative sentence of present perfect tense, we will use has and have according to the subject, then subject will be there, verb third form, object and then question mark. So as I have already told you that to form an interrogative sentence, first of all you have to select your subject, because according to your subject only you have to use the helping verb. Next formula is of interrogative plus negative sentence, which is a mixture of interrogative and negative. So if question word is given in the middle of the sentence like क्या, क्यों, कहाँ, so first we will use the English of those words. So question word, then has and have, then subject, then not, then verb third form plus object plus question mark. Now let's see the examples to understand the formulas better. First sentence is Harry football प्रतियोगिता हार गया है. So Harry is the subject and with singular subject we will use has. Harry has lost the football championship. Lost is the third form of verb. Second sentence is उन्होंने अपनी गलती को महसूस क्यों नहीं किया है. So that is interrogative plus negative, and Q is given in the middle. So first of all we will use the English of Q. Why have they not realized their mistake? So according to they, we have used have here. Why have they not realized their mistake? Third sentence is रोहित कॉलेज में नामांकित नहीं हो चुका है. So Rohit is the subject. According to Rohit, we will use has. Rohit has not enrolled in the college. Enrolled means नामांकित होना. फोर्थ सेंटेंस इज क्या अंकिता पहले ही अपनी कक्षा 12 की परीक्षा उत्तीर्ण कर चुकी है? सो हियर इट इज एन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. क्या इज गिवन इन द स्टार्टिंग, सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. अकॉर्डिंग टू अंकिता, अंकिता इज द सब्जेक्ट, वी विल यूज हैज. हैज अंकिता ऑलरेडी पास्ड हर एग्जामिनेशंस ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट. पास उत्तीर्ण करना, पास करना. सो हियर वी हैव यूज्ड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, दैट इज पास्ड. So these were the sentences and formulas related to present indefinite, present continuous and present perfect tense. I hope all the formulas and sentences are clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.